Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for the last love bite of November. Let's see what we are ending with and what we can look forward to now. So these are just a little mini read to check on your energies now and see how you guys are doing in your love life or your life or whatever wants to show through Aries. I don't know. So let's see. Angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aries, one angel blessing card and we begin, okay? My angels, a blessing or an advice for my Aries gang. A blessing, advice or message for my Aries gang now. Okay, so the card we get here for you Aries is commitment. All right. I wonder why that is. Let's leave it here. Let's see who you're supposed to be committed to, what, or maybe somebody else wants a commitment with you now, Aries. All right. So let's take a simple 9-card spread to check your energies now, Aries. And yes, let's take it on from there. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for showing up again. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. Thank you for being here, Aries. So let's see. So Aries, if any of you want a personal reading, my December calendar is now open. You can email me. My email is in the description box. So let's see. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. So reunion hasn't really happened yet, Aries, for the ones who have been waiting, I think. But the chapter is still open. It's not shut yet. Yes, feeling you or your person is feeling a bit left out in the cold, abandoned by you or vice versa, and wanting to start something new. But right now I still see this person feeling rather sad and abandoned because they think that the feminine energy is kind of really angry at the moment. Yes, there's been a fight here, and because of that you guys are not working together. So I have the Queen of Swords and the Knight of Swords in reverse, which means there's been a very, very nasty, I think, fight between the two of you, Aries, which has led to this fight or breakup between the two of you. But somebody is wanting a fresh new beginning here. Okay, so let's see the rest cards. Hermit in reverse. Somebody wants to come out of this isolation now. Very, very isolated, very restless. This person has been, or this could be you, Aries, and feeling that, bad luck, bad karma has really got them with the Judgment in reverse. And they also, I think, worried that the other partner may be judging them now. And that's the reason somebody is not returning here for a reconciliation. So, why is the World card here, Spirit, in reverse? Why is the World card here in reverse? Somebody was a player, Aries. Somebody was a player, maybe had third-party situations, and that's the reason I think this person now doesn't know how to return back to you, and they don't know how to face you, basically. They know they've really, really messed up here. They've been, yes, there's been a tower moment, Aries. There's been a tower moment. There's some very, very dark, deep emotions which have, I think, flown between the two of you. Look at these two dogs or wolves or whatever they are, howling up at the moon in sorrow, like, what should I do? What should I do? And I think whatever has happened in the past, this very drastic tower moment has left this chapter which you haven't really got closure for. Or maybe this person feels that, haven't had any closure. Yes, things suddenly kind of blew up because maybe somebody got caught here, somebody got abandoned, left behind. And but this person still wants to fight one more time. They don't want to give up, Aries. This person is still holding on, still wanting to fight for you, wanting the Ace of Pentacles with you, wanting... they want to be open about things now, and you or the other person, right? So somebody here wants to now get over this toxicity which has happened in your relationship. Somebody is looking for commitment once again after releasing whatever hasn't worked out. Somebody here, the dynamic feels that, this relationship is still open. I haven't had the closure yet, and I would like to have a fresh new beginning, even though I think this fight has been really, really nasty. It's left both of you feeling like this, right? Abandoned, left out in the cold, stressed out, feeling bound, all up in your head, not finding a way out. Queen of Swords in reverse, Knight of Swords in reverse, with the Seven of Swords, right? So this has not been an easy time, and this has kind of really slowed down. Like if you were at 5, you've come back to 1 in the relationship, instead of 5 going to 10. So 3 of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. No working together because of this fight and conflict. I just said that, and Spirit just confirmed the same, right? So the Hermit in reverse. Somebody has been thinking about this, Aries. Somebody has been in isolation. They've been in hermit mode. They have been taking stock of all the bad behavior, all the cheating, lying, sneaking that was done here, and how it kind of backfired on the relationship. Whoever did this, for whatever reason, I think karma has really kind of affected them very badly with this behavior. It's backfired on them. So Aries, this could be you, this could be your person, right, who cheated, lied, or had third parties, or did something where there was a fight. And whoever did that is now taking stock after spending a lot of time in isolation that, yes, I've got what was due to me, and now all I've created is very bad memories of something which could have been a beautiful relationship, something that could have been fabulous, beautiful. It's backfired now because of my own misdoing. 4 of Swords, Spirit. Somebody is really restless here, Aries. They can't wait. They can't be in this hermit mode any longer. They feel that I've wasted too much time here. I mean, all this precious time I could have spent with my partner, and I've just wasted it being in hermit mode or thinking or evaluating. But now whoever this person is, who was the naughty one, I would say, in the relationship, Aries, is now very restless to have a rebirth, and they want to have this fresh new beginning. This is the second time this Ace of Pentacles is here. They want a solid, re-beginning which can stand the test of time now. Pentacles is very solid. But right now I think this person is still feeling Judgment is in reverse. Either you may not forgive them, you may not return, you may have shut the chapter down on them, or vice versa, Aries. But this person does want to put things right now. They want to do the right thing now. They want, for their own selves, I think they're getting some bad karma. So they feel that if I can be strong now, if I can start this brand new chapter, if I can somehow get back to my Aries, or vice versa, and offer them commitment and a new beginning, maybe things will be better. Yes, this is what has come out of all this time in isolation. I think they've got a lot of spiritual insight, Aries. Now they figure it out. They figure out what their partner means to them. So this could be you, Aries, thinking about your partner. This could be vice versa, right? But yes, somebody has ascended now. Somebody has really ascended. And now they want to do the right thing here, Aries. So what's the advice for my Aries spirit here? What should Aries do? What should Aries do here? Oops, oops, oops. One more. Advice for my Aries. Spirit is saying you are now a star. You've really healed, and you are being guided and shown your path. Right now, I think you are in your planning stage. You may have more than one option, or maybe you're thinking of new options now in your life. you really don't know which is the right direction. I have the star, which is divine guidance, and the star in reverse, right? So right now here you are not knowing what to choose. Should you allow this person to return back to your life, or should you not? So let's see. Two of Wands spirit for my Aries. Two of Wands for my Aries. Aries, somebody has really done you bad here. So they've kind of played mind games. They've made you feel defeated. At the moment, I think you're very clear that you don't want to work with this person. This person has really, really hurt you big time, right? And I don't think, Aries, right now, you're in that place where you want to work with this person or with anyone who has third parties, I think. So here you are planning your next move. You're trying to get a sense of clarity as to what is your next move. So I don't know what you're going to choose, Aries, but the whole point is you're still coming out smelling like roses. Six of Wands. So whichever direction you go, Aries, I think victory is yours. Six of Wands spirit. Six of Wands. One more. One more. Sorry. One more spirit for the Six of Wands. Aries, somebody knows they haven't done you right, and I think this person wants to come and have communication with you. But I still think this person, the way they're going to come and communicate, it won't be really the right way here. Okay, so I think, Aries, you are going to do nothing. You're going to watch and wait, and you're going to keep your options open to see what else is out there. I don't think, Aries, right now you are going to be accepting any kind of committed relationship. I think right now you've earned your right, Aries, to be the fool. Okay, to enjoy the success that you have gained for yourself, and you're going to be in this full energy where you'll want to be free and to be explore whatever new horizons are going to present themselves. So right now, even if they come to you, Aries, I don't really feel that you're committing to anyone except yourself. Okay, so I think we're going to make a choice that, hey, I have done this on my own. There was nobody on my journey, right? So this is my time, and I need to give myself some time, and I want to be free. Aries, you are on your way to new horizons here. This person can fight, beg, whatever they want to do, but at the moment, I think you're turning your back on this person and trying to see what else is out there. Okay, so that's all I have for you till the end of November at least. We'll check on next month now. Till then, love and light. See you December. Namaste.